Why does she look like this? Okay, all right. We is installing this spoiler. I'm gonna show y'all how to do that, but first I gotta turn my car around. I was gonna do this, but I gotta get me a saw to cut this a little bit, cause that right here. All right, it should be good right here. Let's see this. Shit on the ear. Nice clean cut. Nice clean. All this taped up. Make sure you tape it up nice and good. Before you even take the three-sided tape off, the two-sided, double-sided tape off, just make sure you mop it up. Make sure you got everything lined up. See how it's going to fit. All right, that's good. All right, so I'm gonna let that sit down for a few hours. But yeah, like I was saying, the sport I was gonna get, it was something kind of like this. Oh, don't mind all the shit on the trunk. It was something kind of like this. I didn't want it to look too sporty like this. Then they had something like that on my Lexus. Something like that. But I ended up just getting something just smooth. Something smooth like that. But I got a lot of parts. I just cleaned this dang on table up last week and this shit got filled up in one day. Oh, actually 1 week, cause I bought all this stuff. That right there and they my downpipes. I don't really have the time. I might have to take that to a shop. Even though I do not want to, but I don't really have the time to start that, so I might gotta take it to a shop. It's something else I got. It's something else I got. I got a lot of shit. I gotta get this stuff cleaned up. But that's just something for now. This will be getting put on YouTube. I haven't posted on YouTube in a while. Last video I posted was this car. And I had did I have a camel wrap? I think I had a camel wrap. I think so. And y'all haven't seen this car in a while. Right now, this car got an issue with it's not starting. It want to start, but it's not starting. So I tried everything, but the first thing I should have been tried was put the damn fuel pump in there. I got a fuel pump for it. I already got the back seat taken out, so I can't get to it today because my time is all up because I only be having one day of the week, one off day of the week. So I'm gonna try to get to it next week. Well, I'm gonna try because I ain't gonna lie, I'm doing a lot of overtime. That's why I don't really be having no time to do anything. But once I replace the fuel pump, hopefully it starts this car back up. and this car gets back on the road, so I ain't gotta keep driving my Benz. My Lexus. I gotta get the fuel injectors changed. There's only one I gotta change, but I might just change all 6 of them. I was getting ready to say 3. I'm gonna just change all 6 of them, just to be on the safe side. Cause it starts up. It starts up and everything. It's just as soon as I step on the brake, it turns right off. So I gotta get some new fuel injectors. And that's all for now. This is just a little update video since I haven't posted nothing on YouTube in quite a while.